For the following video, we're going to determine whether the given point is on the unit circle. A unit circle is a circle with the radius of 1, and that equation is right over here on the right-hand side of the screen. X squared plus y squared is equal to 1. So we're going to determine if this point here is indeed on the unit circle or not. So this is a yes or no type of question. So we know that 4/9 is our x value, and the negative square root of 65 over 9 is our y value. So we're literally just going to plug it directly into this equation. So x is 4/9, and we will be squaring that, plus y is negative square root of 65 over 9, and we will be squaring that. And we are checking to see, does this equal 1? Now, when we square fractions, remember it's numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. So 4 times 4 is 16, over 9 times 9 is 81, plus, for our next fraction in the numerator, remember a negative times a negative is positive, and the same square root times the same square root is its radicand, what's underneath. So like the square root of 2 times the square root of 2 is 2. So the square root of 65 times the square root of 65 is a 65 over 9 times 9, which is 81. Now if we add this together, and we can definitely add this together because we do have common denominators here. So move the common denominator over. 16 plus 65 is an 81, which does indeed equal 1. So yes, this point is on the unit circle. Now let's take a look at a second example here. So now we're, same question, does this point lie on the unit circle then? So we're going to do the same thing. We are going to plug in 55 over 8 into our x, which will be squared, plus 3/8 for our y, which will be squared, and we will see, does this equal 1? Well, numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. 55 times 55 is 3,025. And 8 times 8 is a 64, plus 3 times 3 is 9, and 8 times 8 is 64. We can go ahead and add these together because once again we have common denominators. 3,025 plus 9 does give us, 3,034. And if we reduce this here, this is definitely not equal to 1. This is equal to 47 point something. So this is not correct. So for this point here, no, this one is not on a unit circle.